Hey there, and welcome to this exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into modern UI design by creating a stunning frosted glass effect using just CSS. Let's get started. Before we jump into coding, let's understand what the frosted glass effect is. You've probably seen it in Mac OS, Windows Fluent Design, and modern web apps. It's a semi-transparent, blurred background effect that creates depth and elegance. Now, let's set up our project. To start, we'll set up a simple HTML structure. Inside the body, let's add a container div that will hold our frosted glass effect. Now, let's bring it to life with CSS. We'll apply CSS properties like backdrop filter, RGBA transparency, and box shadows to achieve the effect. Background creates a semi-transparent effect. The backdrop filter, blur of 10 pixels, blurs the background behind the container. The box shadow and border radius add depth and softness to the design. Want to take it a step further? Let's add some smooth animations and effects. Here's how we can animate the frosted glass container for a more engaging experience. Now, when you hover over the container, it will subtly scale up for a more dynamic feel. And there you have it, a modern frosted glass UI using pure CSS. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web design tutorials. Let me know in the comments how you're using the frosted glass effect in your projects. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.